Suggest the aspects. What? Suggest the aspects of reproductive health which need to be given special attention in the present scenario. So what are the things which are needed to be done in today's scenario? So the answer here will go something like, important aspects of reproductive health which needs to be given special attention are as follow. First, introduction of sex education in schools that will help in removing myths and misconceptions about sex-related aspect. So this here says be more free in talking about sex education in schools. Second, proper information about reproductive organs, safe and hygienic sexual practices, and sexually transmitted diseases. So have more knowledge about what and what not to do while having sex. That knowledge should be given to younger generation. Third, awareness about problems due to uncontrolled population growth and social evils like sex abuse and sex-related crimes. So this is about the society and sexual abuse that goes on in the society. So more awareness. So talk more freely about it. Then next point should be strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise and material support to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problems. This is for the infrastructural facilities and etc. And lastly, educating people about available birth control options, care of pregnant women, and postnatal care of mother as well as the child, importance of breastfeeding, why is it very, very vital, and equal opportunities for male and female child. So here it comes about, or it talks about equality. So these are all general points, students. You're just supposed to keep them in mind and frame your answer accordingly. Okay, students?